How to stop receiving email notification from Facebook. Firstly, let me show you what Facebook notification on email looks like. Here you can see at the top only we have Facebook notification. Sometimes these notifications can pile up and take storage in your email. So in order to disable or restrict this activity, you need to follow these steps. Open Facebook app in your device and log into your account. After that, you will see 3-line icon at the top right corner. Tap on it and your account section will be opened. Here at the bottom, extend the option of Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Now scroll down and under the section of Preferences, you will see an option called Notifications. Inside Notification, you will see various options like this. If you scroll down to the bottom, then you will find a section called Where you receive notifications. There are 3 modes from where you can receive notification. One is push, email, and SMS. Tap on email and another interface will be opened. Here at the top you will see an option called email frequency. Now select email frequency and this menu will pop up. From this menu select the third option, which is required notifications. After that all your email notification will be disabled. If someday you want to change this, then simply click on email frequency and select suggested. I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.